to Motu Ki Pathshala.
A for apple, B for butterfly, C for cat, D for dog, E for earth, F for frog, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for owl, P for parrot, Q for quail, R for rabbit, S for sun, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for violet, W for watermelon, X for xylophone, Y